Hello and welcome to the session. Understanding and using inclusive teaching and learning approaches in education and training LO2 understand ways to create an inclusive teaching and learning environment. How can we ensure every learner feels valued and included? Creating an inclusive teaching environment is essential for effective education. Let's explore the key aspects to achieve this goal. Establishing a respectful and supportive culture is crucial. Learners need to feel they belong. Setting clear ground rules around behavior and communication helps. Challenging discriminatory language is essential. A fair and safe environment encourages engagement. Understanding learner needs is vital. Initial assessments and open communication identify strengths and barriers. Planning anticipates needs instead of reacting to problems. Needs may change over time, requiring ongoing review. This ensures an adaptive learning environment. The learning environment must be inclusive. Classrooms should be accessible and well-organized. Online platforms need to be easy to navigate. They should be compatible with assistive technologies. Clear signage and appropriate resources contribute to inclusion. Varied teaching methods shape the environment. Encouraging participation in different forms is key. Clear instructions help learners engage. Allowing time for questions and using inclusive language is important. Avoid assumptions about prior knowledge. Positive relationships are central to inclusion. Listening and treating learners fairly builds trust. Encouraging collaboration reduces isolation. Peer support helps learners learn from each other. Consistency in treatment fosters a supportive environment. Assessment and feedback shape learning. Inclusive practices ensure learners know expectations. Feedback should be constructive and timely. Focus on development rather than criticism. This supports confidence and motivation. Reflective practice is essential for inclusion. Ongoing reflection identifies what works. Seeking learner feedback is crucial. Reviewing outcomes ensures meaningful inclusion. Adapt teaching approaches based on reflection. Inclusion affects engagement and achievement. Intentional inclusion boosts participation. Recognizing individual differences is key. It treats differences as strengths. This leads to better engagement and learning. Challenging negative behavior is crucial. Discrimination creates barriers to learning. Inclusive environments set clear behavior expectations. Address issues immediately and consistently. This promotes equality and respect. Peer interaction enhances learning. Sharing ideas and support is effective. Group activities encourage collaboration. Peer support is valuable for confidence. It helps learners learn from different perspectives. Inclusion builds on individual skills. Learners' prior experience enhances learning. Recognizing skills helps learners feel valued. Teaching connects new learning to existing knowledge. This improves understanding and retention. Selecting teaching approaches is key. Learners have different learning styles. Varied approaches improve engagement. Student-centered planning is essential. It encourages participation and reflection. Teaching must meet program requirements. Inclusive practice doesn't lower standards. Methods should meet learning outcomes. They must allow learners to succeed. Avoid unnecessary barriers in assessments. Maximizing resources is important. Effective resource selection enhances access. Digital tools and support services are key. Creative use of resources maintains inclusion. It ensures learning is accessible to all. Teaching approaches must suit the context. Group size and diversity influence methods. Physical space and online delivery are factors. Cultural diversity and accessibility are crucial. Contextual approaches ensure effective learning. Engagement and motivation are essential. Learners need to see value in learning. Clear aims and outcomes increase focus. Clarity in instructions reduces confusion. Active learning encourages participation. Using a range of approaches sustains interest. Discussions and practical tasks prevent boredom. They meet different learning preferences. Variety supports inclusion in diverse groups. It maintains learner engagement. Positive feedback is a powerful motivator. It helps learners understand progress. Feedback should be specific and constructive. It builds confidence and encourages persistence. Regular reviews maintain motivation. Ground rules create a safe environment. They set clear behavior expectations. Following organizational rules ensures consistency. Explaining rule purposes encourages cooperation. Learner involvement increases rule ownership. Clarification is key in establishing rules. Clear explanations prevent misunderstandings. Learners should ask questions for clarity. Discussion promotes respect and inclusion. It reinforces that rules support learning. In conclusion, understanding ways to create an inclusive teaching and learning environment is essential for supporting learner participation and achievement. Inclusive environments are built by promoting respect, valuing diversity, and adapting teaching strategies to meet individual needs. Using accessible resources, differentiated instruction, and supportive communication helps ensure all learners feel included and engaged. Understanding these approaches supports equality, learner confidence, and positive educational outcomes. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 074843616688.